Okay, this one is a Juno first with the old Nemesis adapter. So this one had well, it had sound but it had errors, and this had been somewhere else and it was a fail. I won't name him, but we'll save that for another day. Two bad 2114s, bad LS74 and a bad LS138. So I'll let it run a demo now, and this one's a Dunsky, nice and not too bad on the customs or anything, just standard parts. Okay. There we go, another one Dunsky's.